Hi everyone! Welcome back to my vlog. For today's video, I'm doing a book review about Dekada 60 by Luwalhati Bautista. Yes, this was a school requirement, but promise, nagulat ako how emotionally powerful it actually was. So if you're curious about the story, my thoughts, and why this book matters even today, keep watching. Dekada 60 follows the Bartolome family during the martial law era. The whole story is told through Amanda, a mother. That's what makes it unique. Instead of just reading historical facts, you see how a normal family tries to survive a country that more stricter, scarier, and more controlled. Amanda has 5 sons, and each one reflects differently to what's happening. Merong idealist, merong rebelde, at merong tahimik lang. Through them, you see how martial law affects not just politics, but also personal relationships. And watching Amanda discover her own voice in such a dangerous time is one of the strongest parts of the book, para siya nagkaroon ng redemption. As a student reading this, I honestly felt the weight of everything. In school, we learn martial law through timelines and lessons, pero iba kapag kwento na ng pamilya, parang totoo. The book shows fear, loss, and confusion, but also bravery even when it comes from very ordinary people. Amanda hit me the most. She starts as quiet, traditional mother and a passive person, but slowly she begins to question her role, her rights, and her place in society. Diba ang galing? From passive to being an assertive. Parang reflection din siya ng struggles natin ngayon, yung paghahanap ng boses sa mundo, especially us, the young generations. We're trying to understand what's happening around us, kahit tayo na mismo niloloko. I also connected with the Bartolome brothers. Their idealism, their anger, and their desire to change society reminded me na kahit tayo ngayon, meron pa rin tayong responsibility as citizens, as students. It made me think, if they were willing to fight for truth in a time of fear, what can we do in our own time? Overall, Dekada 60 isn't just a book you read for class. It's something that stays with you. It teaches you about courage, family, and the cost of fighting for freedom. The writing is emotional but relatable, and it gives you a deeper and better understanding of what martial law felt like, not just what it looked like in textbooks or timelines. So if you haven't read it yet, or if you're reading it now for school, take your time with it, feel the story, learn from it. This book matters, and honestly, every Filipino student should experience it. So that's all. Thank you for watching. If you've read Dekada 60, please comment your thoughts below. Like and subscribe for more school-related content. See you in my next vlog. Bye!